Hi guys, welcome. Oh my god. Welcome back to my channel guys. My name look a mess. And I know this is just not it right now. But I promise you this won't be the case at the end of the video. Okay? So today I'm going to be doing another hair video. Y'all wanted some, so I'm here with another one. This week I'm going to be featuring Megalookhair, your hair, your glory. This is just how the box looks, and the hit you up is the girl you look crusty and dusty. Let's give you all a actually to that, but yeah. So I'm going to be installing this wig here and showing you guys how it looks and the quality and all that jazz. I'm kind of excited because I've never worn this color hair before. Like, it's not an outrageous color, but I've never worn it before. So I'm just going to go ahead and tell you guys the details as I unbox. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what's inside the box. So boom, you open it and you get this little pouch, and what's inside the pouch is this headband, which I did this one with before. I made a TV from her, but now I own some of that quality. And I got an edges brush, some of that for teeth was one of them no more, and I got some bobby pins and a wig cap. Actually, I took out one of them. This was on my head, so I got two wig caps, one still in the pack. Oh, get tweezer too. My friends, don't get out of shit. Get tweezer. I know I'm gonna use it. How about me get it? Yep, that's all that's in this little pouch here. And if you're not here to find the back, I'm so sorry. I literally cannot turn it off, or else now this one is not melt, like legit melt. They also got me this nice little bracelet thing. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the flat the ring light, but yeah. Then I just get this little what's these? It's instructions on how to carry the wig, basically. And then we have the wig. Ladies and gentlemen, if there are any gentlemen watching this, just have the wig in this bag here, and on the inside of the box, I don't know if you guys can see that, it says Megalook want to let everyone who uses our products feel more proud of herself. Okay, Megalook. Alright, so I'm gonna show them the hair, because as I said, I've never worn this color before, and it's not outrageous. I'm just really excited to see how it's going to look on me. Yes, so this is the hair. It's like brown with blonde highlights. I don't know, I just really liked it. I just really liked it when I saw it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So this is the piano color lace frontal wig, straight virgin human hair. This is 22 inches. Yeah girl, come out with the inches. So I'm going, of course, you know what's there. Me a backer, and me cannot install this myself. So I'm going to have the professional. Just kidding. I'm going to have Swan come in and install this for me. So I'll see you guys when I'm installing it. Alright? Alright guys, so now I have Swan here. I come find Hollywood. And she's going to put her for me. Yeah.
So you could cut out a little lace.
I don't know if I cut it off so.
Maybe no. All you do, you hold
what's up,
hold it man. Hold
what's
it,
up,
yeah. Hold on nice and light for you, hold it alright.
What's supposed to cut off more than I'm supposed to cut?
You idiot? No, you idiot. You have no sense. What I did not cut off. Give me this man. Put this on so
oh, what is for?
Put it over the end, Oh my god, I give the girl the thing one way and she turned it the next way.
so.
What I do? Now put it on.
Period. I don't need you. Look, I really love how this looks on me. It gives me a different look, like, who you know. So I really love this hair. The quality is really nice. It's really soft, and it's supposed to be 22 inches, but it's a bit longer. You see. But yeah, guys, all the information for this hair will be down in the description box. Now I'm one of those girls that's just like, but yeah, I really like this hair. And that's all for this week's video. Stay tuned for next week's video. I'll see you guys then. Don't forget to like, comment down below what you like about the ear. If the ear gives you a buzz, comment down below if the ear gives you a buzz. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.